To add an answer key to Google Forms, start by heading to your browser and searching for Google Forms. Sign into your Google account. Then click on the Go to Forms button to access the home page. Select a blank form and give it a name. Next, click on the settings icon at the top center of the screen and select the option to make this a quiz. Return to the Questions tab and type in your first question, adding all the options. Beside the options, you'll see the Answer Key option at the bottom left of the screen. Click on it, then choose the correct answer. You can also assign points for correct answers by clicking on the Points option beside the question. Additionally, you can add feedback for both correct and incorrect answers by clicking on Add Answer Feedback at the bottom left of the screen. Once you've added your feedback, click Save. To add a new question, click the plus icon on the right-hand side toolbox. Then repeat the process of typing in the question, adding options, and selecting the correct answer. You can also make a question required by clicking on the option at the bottom left of the screen. To view responses, click on the Responses tab at the top of the screen, where you can see all the submissions for your Google form. In the Settings tab, you can adjust the response settings, such as collecting email addresses from responders. To preview your Google form, click on the Preview icon at the top right of the screen, which will open a new tab showing your form. You can test it by filling in the form and submitting it, and you'll be able to see the correct answers you've selected. This process allows you to create a Google form with an answer key and collect responses from users.